Okay, so welcome back to another Mindfulness Monday where you can get an empowering start for your week. And remember to smash that like button because it does help share the message out to others. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what is this word that's going to unleash your potential or transform your mindset? Or just by releasing this word will help boost your success. But not only that, gain clarity, gain confidence, and gain certainty. Now, the interesting thing with this word is how disempowering and powerful this small word is. And I will tell you this too. I'm kind of giving a little bit of a hint right behind me there. So, what is this word? Try. 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 So this character behind me here is Yoda, if you weren't sure, from Star Wars. And he's very well known for saying those wise words of do or do not. There is no try. It's a very half-hearted word and as well too setting yourself up for failure versus success, hindering possible progress as well as a super non committal word and sets in your mindset uncertainty. So, next time when you catch yourself saying, yes, I'll try to read that book, remember the wise words of Yoda.
Try not. Do or do not. There is no try.
Now, I'm not going to leave you hanging like that. Just be like, all right, just take out try and all's better. So, as I'm sure you've heard before, I've also said before in other videos, here's one of them. Nature abhors a vacuum. So we need to replace the word after we've taken out a word. So the more empowering word would be I will. So now we're taking out try and we're putting in I will. So as an example, instead of saying I will try to read that book, I will read that book or I will give it my best effort to read that book. Again, having that more confidence, certainty, and commitment by extracting out try and putting in I will. All right, I appreciate your time today and enjoy practicing removing out the try, putting in the I will, and you keep making it an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you next Monday.